Today we're talking about rounding numbers. So, how do we round a number? How? So, in order to round a number, let's say to the tens place, like on this page, you must first look at the ones place. So, if you don't know what tens place or ones place, please watch my place value video. All right. If we're looking at the tens, like we want to round to, is this closer to 20 or is this closer to 30? Is this closer to 30 or closer to 40? 90 or 100? That's what we're talking about. So rounding to the tens place, you're going to end up with a multiple of 10. So what do? If the ones place value is 5 or higher, so if it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5 or higher, you round up. Okay? If the ones place is a 4 or lower, you round down. Okay? So, looking at 23, well, 23 is 1, 2, 3, or 4. It's 4 or lower, so we're going to round down to 20. 35, 5, 3, 5, round up to 40. 96 goes to 100. Notice here, we're rounding to the tens place, right? But 9 is the largest value that you can put in a single digit. So 9 in the tens place rounding up, you're going to go up to 100, and now we go from ones place, tens place to ones place, tens place, hundreds place. It's just like addition when we have the rounding and we go up. Okay, we do the add-on. 41 rounds down to 40. 74, and so on and so forth. Okay, so are we going to round these numbers up or are we going to round these numbers down? All right, well, we're trying to round to the nearest tens. So we look at the ones place. 2, up. We go down. We're going down. 116. Okay, well, we're not rounding to the hundreds. We don't care about the hundreds right now. We care about the tens. How do you round 1 in the tens place? It's going to go up. 116, 6. So we're going to go up to 120. 57, 7. We're going up. The nearest tens to 57, well, that's 60. Okay, and notice, it doesn't matter if the number is in the millions or billions. You select which place value you're rounding to, and then you look to the right. So, 6,434. 34. 4. Well, we're going to go down. Okay, 6,430. 80, 88, right? So 3,888. Going up to 90. 3,890. And then 95, we're going to round up again. Look, 9 is the highest digit we have, so we're going to add a place value. We're going to add that 100, and we're going to round up. Okay? So, looking at this, we have a rounding chart. This is our hundreds rounding chart. You guys can have this. You can take a screenshot of this. And essentially it says, look, if you have a 4 or lower, 4 or smaller, you're going to round down, right? So 4 rounded to the nearest 10, that's 0. 14 rounded to the nearest 10, that's 10. But if you have 5 or greater, 55 rounds to 60. 66 rounds to 70. 88 rounds to 90. Okay, so this is a really cool chart. Print it out, keep it. You can webmail me, and I'll send you this PDF by itself if you'd like. I said earlier, you can round any digit. Here, we want to round to the nearest millions place. Okay, 1 million. Well, look, 8. We're going to round up. We're going to round down. On the next slide, I have all the answers for us. 3 in the 100,000s place. We have a 3. We're going to round up or down with that 4. We're going to round down. That's going to be 300,000 if we're rounding to the hundreds place. And here I want to highlight. We're going to round to the tenths place. The tenths place. 16.113. Right? 16 and 113 thousandths. Well, let's look at this tenths place. Is that going to be up or down? 1 goes down. So, let's take a look at our answers. Guys, this is a video. Pause. Do all of these practice problems. And now, here's our answers. Notice this tens place. Boom. 16.1. 16 and 1/10. Okay? Let's look at to the hundreds place. 482. All right? 482. Look at an 8. It goes up to 500. 3 and 458 thousandths. If we want to round to the nearest hundredths place, 8 goes up, so 3 and 46 hundredths. Guys, this is another video. I'm here to help you. Please let me know what you need, and I'll be happy to produce more. Have a great day.